Are you ready to embark on an exciting and high-wage career that plays a crucial role in ensuring the flying public's safety? As an FAA-certified Aviation Maintenance Technician, or AMT, you'll be at the forefront of maintaining the safety and efficiency of aircraft. This highly specialized field offers dynamic career opportunities across the aviation sector and beyond.
My name is Darian. I work for Thoroughbred Aviation Maintenance in Lexington, Kentucky. They are a certified repair station. I am their fixed wing floor lead and regular mechanic. I also do on-call maintenance for the Bluegrass Airport for their commercial side of things. Growing up, my mom was a farm maintenance manager, so I always had a desire to learn how to work on things, and she trained me on cars, water heaters, tractors, weed whips, everything. So I got my license back in September of 2021. I got the opportunity to come work for Thoroughbred in the fall of 2021. Well, if they have like a desire to work on stuff or to learn why something works and they want to get into that side of things, it is a really fun field for that, just because there is so much that you can learn and do. Everything from rewiring into changing out electronics to like servicing the tires. And then if you're a person who's more creative or you like to get kind of artsy with things, sheet metal is another area of aviation that takes a lot of outside of the box thinking when it comes to certain tasks, but it does take a lot of math and measurements. So if you're somebody who wants to be able to design different things, there is kind of an area for that too. It's really loud if you like making noise too. You get to use the pneumatic rivet guns and everything. So those are our loud technicians when we have repairs, but it's a lot of fun. It does take a lot of skill too. So if it's something you'd like to hone in on, if you are a really creative person or like doing stuff of that nature, it's a really cool position. I've met a ton of people who came from different walks of life that didn't necessarily know if they wanted to get into aviation. Some of them were military background and it was a position they were placed in and they ended up enjoying it, and when they got out they wanted to continue their field, so they got certified with their AMP license. But if you're a person who also wants to make a lot of money, I know that certain airlines do offer really good incentives, but for me, it was never about the money. I had a passion for aircraft, and I had a desire to grow in that field.
I'm Perry Sloan. I'm a coordinator and instructor of the AMT program here at MCTC. I'm a commercial pilot. I'm a flight instructor. I also hold an inspector authorization for maintenance through the FAA. If you take this program, you will have a lot of hands-on training. You will have the benefit of actually touching and actually doing the job. You will actually work on real airplanes, the engine compartment, the propellers, the airframe. You will get hands-on training on all of these components.
I'm Kevin Woodruff. I'm an instructor at MCTC's Aviation Maintenance Technology. I've had my airframe and power plant license since the mid-90s, and I worked in corporate aviation for 13 years. I have always enjoyed sharing my passion of aviation with others and teaching not only my own children, but other children to love aviation and to work on aircraft. To start your career in aviation maintenance technology, first you'll enroll in the program at MCTC. From there, you will go through our program starting out with general classes to receive your general certification. Then we continue on into airframe to learn the structure of the aircraft and the systems of the aircraft. And then lastly, you will complete the power plant portion of the program to learn ins and outs of both recip and jet engines.
Students who meet certain qualifications can attend this program tuition-free by using the Work Ready Kentucky Scholarship.
At the completion of our program, you will be prepared to take the official FAA tests to receive your airframe and power plant license. Once you receive your airframe and power plant licenses from the FAA, you will be legally allowed to work on aircraft anywhere in the United States.
If you don't want to travel, there are plenty of jobs in this area. CVG, which is right up the road from us, is hiring constantly. They're in need of a lot of folks now. If you don't want to go to a major carrier, then the local airports in the area are always looking for A&Ps.
Aviation maintenance technology is an ever-growing field with ever-growing demand for new mechanics. This program is for anyone, and you're more than welcome to contact Perry and I with any questions.
To become an AMT, you must first need to apply to MCTC and enroll in the program. While completing the program requirements, you'll be prepared to take the FAA exams necessary to get certified and start your career. Once you're in the field, you'll want to continue learning and specialize in your areas of interest. Eligible students can attend the MCTC AMT program tuition-free with the Work Ready Kentucky Scholarship. The Aviation Maintenance Technology program offers students several certification and career pathways. The full program for an AAS degree or diploma typically takes 2 years. However, students can begin working sooner if they choose after obtaining certificates. After the first semester, students can earn the certificate for general completion. Entry-level wages for students with the general certificate may vary, but can be between $35,000 to $40,000, depending on location and employer. After 3 semesters, students can earn their airframe certification. Once certified, students may expect an average salary around $50,000 to $55,000 annually, depending on the region and demand. Upon completion of 4 semesters, students can earn the power plant certification. Power plant certified technicians may earn about $55,000 to $60,000 annually.